How to set a song as your ringtone on your Android device. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you step by step whether it's a downloaded track or song from your music app. We'll cover everything, so let's get started. So first of all, ensure that the music is downloaded on your phone. It can be a MP3, WAV, or most common formats. You can just go over and download it using the legal method. Now we can head over to our settings on an Android device after that and scroll to the section for sound and vibration or sound. This may vary depending upon your phone brand. And once you've tapped on it, we can look out for the section called phone ringtone or ringtone and tap on it. And there we should be able to see all of the default tones available here. Now to use the song that we have personally downloaded, we can look out for the option called plus at the top right and tap on it. And after we tap on it, we can select from the files available from this list available. And you can select it. You can turn on this option called play selected highlights only if you want to play highlight, or tap on it if you want to get it from the start. After that, tap and done, and the song will be added as your ringtone. This is a method available. Or you can just head over and find the song directly and look out for the three dot right beside it and tap on set as ringtone. That is also possible. Some phones allow you to trim the song before setting it as ringtone, so you can pick up the best part, but usually this is how you should be able to add up ringtone. It is pretty easy, and that's it. So now you know how to set any song as ringtone on Android. So if this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon, and see you in next one.